we usually win in Silapa. So hopefully you come to join us. We can continue joining, or if not, it's okay too. But I think yes, you are right. It can be a good benefit for our school. All right. So let's continue. Now we have reading. I have 3 topics here. I would like you to choose one, read aloud, and then after that summarize. Tell me about it. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes. The topic is about Christmas Eve. Christmas is my favorite holiday in the morning of December 24th. I buy gifts for my family. Later, I watch the baby Jesus parade and have something to eat. Then I wrap the gifts, although sometimes I use present bags. Then we go to my grandma's house where all my relatives are waiting. We eat a lot of snacks and exchange gifts. I love this holiday because I share great moments with my family.
Very good reading. So could you tell me what you understood about this paragraph?
This paragraph say about Christmas Eve when it's 24th of December, people will buy a lot of gifts to their home, and I also being here when it's Christmas. All the things in the mall is gone for presents, and they say they watch the baby Jesus parade, and they also go to uh, grandma's house and saw a lot of relatives. I also do that too. And at in 24th of December, our family comes here. Comes to Cellphone Royette, and we have a fun things to do. So next New Year will be a good year. And this paragraph also talk about the great moments with family and about the food. I see a lot of Christmas food like chicken, like that. I really love to try it, but I never have a chance. And that's all.
Okay. You've mentioned about the day, during the Christmas day, when you go to shopping mall, everything's gone, right? But for some people, what they do, they wait for the holiday season to be over and go to the mall because probably most of them will be on discount, right? Because yes, they know, oh, no one's going to buy this after Christmas. So for the others, it's a chance to get what they need. But maybe not everything's there anymore, right? Oh, very good, that's good. And it says here, baby Jesus parade. Have you ever seen one in Thailand?
No, I never see because in Thailand there's Buddhists a lot. It's a Buddhist country. I saw a few of Christian and I never see the palace.
Yes, and yes, because your country is not a Christian country, so you don't actually like celebrate the birthday of Jesus, but Christmas as a holiday for family, right, and giving. Very good. Okay, so now the next part will be describing a photo. I'll show you a photo and I'll give you 2 minutes. But if you're ready before that, you can start talking. Okay, so I want you to let me see. Okay, so I would like you to use this photo. Okay, we can zoom if you want because I don't have a bigger picture. I'll give you 2 minutes.